Hey guys, if you got an Astro A50 wireless headset, connecting it to your phone isn't as direct as normal Bluetooth, but it's still possible. Option 1, with AUX cable, right? Best audio quality. Plug a 3.5 millimeter aux cable into the A50's base station, aux out. Plug the other end into your phone. You might need a USB-C or Lightning adapter. Turn on your headset. It will automatically play phone audio through the base station. Option 2, wireless adapter. Get a Bluetooth transmitter like A50 Oasis. Connect it to the A50 base via optical out or aux. Pair the transmitter to your phone. Now it streams wirelessly. Note the A50 doesn't have native Bluetooth, so direct pairing won't work. Works both with both iPhone and Android if you use the right adapter or base setup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.